Stay with us on this bike ride. We're going to head to London Bridge. We're going to go around the island. There's a bike trail. We're going to head to the channel. From there, we're going to check out the boat ramps over here. So stay with us, all right? The coyote right there. On this bike ride, we're heading to Lake Havasu Island. So we have to go on a little road. You know, the side roads here, they're a little rough. But it's maybe a half a mile. It's not too bad. Alright, we're getting closer to the London Bridge. Alright, this here is the London Bridge. Check it out, pretty cool. The roads are pretty narrow here, so if you ever ride here, stay on the sidewalks. I don't know why they have 2 lanes one way and one going into the island. It's kind of strange. But yes, this is the London Bridge. Check out those boats. Condominium stores there. Summertime, this place is jamming. They actually got this bridge from London because it wasn't sufficient enough, so they had the bigger bridge in London, and they got this bridge here in Lake Havasu. Check out the locks. All right, let's get to the trail. All right, this is the start of the trail, and they have walkers and joggers go to the right. We're going to the left. This is the bike way. This way they can see you coming on and no crashes. So let's enjoy this bike ride. Play a little music. Today's weather is super nice. It's warm here. It's around 95 degrees, 100 degrees. It's nice and dry, so don't feel too bad. The paved trail around the island here is the loop, and it's 3.6 miles long. They've been doing a lot of building here. Check out those homes on the right. Super nice. Those are over $1 million each. They have like a garage for your car, a garage for your boat, and a super tall garage for your RV. That's super nice. This part still hasn't had a lot of building yet. I'm sure they'll get to it later on. Just takes a little time. Check out that view. Beautiful mountains. I love it. The trail's not bad, just needs a little repair. It is kind of rough, certain areas. But overall it's okay. And it's a nice ride around the island. So if you're ever in Lake Havasu, come on down, check it out. Oh, that's the ride for that. Alright, right now we're on the Bridgewater Channel Canal. I'm just going to call it the canal. London Bridge is straight ahead, and we're just going to ride along the canal for a little bit. Summertime, this place gets packed. Today it's not that bad. Towards off season, and it's a weekday. Let's ride down here to the end. We're almost at the end of our bike ride today. We did approximately 22 miles. Super nice weather. Thank you for watching. And if you could please do me a favor and hit the like button and subscribe, that would mean a lot to me. Until then, see you in our next video.